Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching and joining me over the years, for those who are coming here for the first time, Karibu Sana. Welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet Migwi, where I normally share with you my resin art and some other life tidbits like travel, which I'll be doing later because I'm going to show you these pieces. This series I'm doing about a wedding that I'm going to attend in later in the summer, and I would like you to join me for that travel. So that you don't miss out on this video and others, please subscribe and press the notification bell. And to see, for example, this is a custom made, so I can't show you everything here. And for you to see the detail after the wedding, please follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspire so that you can see more of the pieces. And so what are we doing? We are going to make some resin earrings using the island silicone molds to give them a whimsical look for this summer wedding. And how do we do that? We're going to use these silicone molds, and I'm using 2 of them because if they're earrings, they're 2. So I want to do 2 identical as I go on. And we're using UV resin this time because I don't want to wait because there are several pieces, I don't want to wait for each layer to cure, and because I only have 1 set. If I had like several sets of this silicone, I could do that where I'm waiting several days, or I could use my curing machine to cure, but I want in a sense to have a little more control, so I'd rather use the UV resin. And of course we'll use this machine to cure it, and we're using these bright colors. We're using the Piccassio paints. We have the marigold, the hot pink, another shade of pink, the rose whip, and the turquoise. Those are the colors. People, I can't wait for you to see how everything will pull together. So let me show you how we're doing this layer by layer, a very quick. Look at that. I love how this color has turned out. See the layers? Let's demold and see it together. Against the white, you can see it more against the white. Okay, see now, when you look inside, you can see the layers. Please take to the end. When we put it on the hoop for the earring, you will see it nicely because I'll be able to take a close-up shot with it on the earring. But look, so don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on such videos, and so that you can see how I do the full wedding collection of earrings. Please follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires, because that's where I will share them and how they will even look on the bridesmaids. So keep watching as I use UV resin right now to put it on, and then I show you the final look. God bless you. Barakatele. See you next time.